Hello, this is Skater John again, and the last time you would have seen me, I would have been at Town Center Mall, and I did our burst power slide. And for today's session, I'm going to now go step by step and show you how we do that trick, which is stop, specifically the burst power slide. Let's do it. And there's 3 basic steps for the power slide. You want to prepare your upper body, and then you want to turn your upper body suddenly, extend your leg, and this is basically the stance you want to get for that power slide. I'm going to do it a bit more speed and head straight before hitting that block right there. Woo! And that is the power slide. Now, how to do the reverse power slide. It's so easy, it's so comfortable. Once I see that I have to stop, at the last moment I just need to spin around and extend my legs. So, just like the power slide, there is 3 steps, but since I'm doing a reverse, I'm gonna just add 1 more step, which is you having to do a 180. Yes, it seems way harder, but for me it's much simpler. So, just like how that would have been the first step, preparing your hands, second step, you might turn your body, and then the third step, extending your foot like this. For the reverse power slide, I'll build up a little bit more speed here, and then I'm head down there and do it as fast as I can. Woo! As you can see, I got some crazy drag there. And the whole point with these slides is, the sharper the angle, the more you're going to slide. The more straight you have your legs like this, the faster you're going to stop. So if you see that you're coming with a lot of speed, you want to stop or at least slow down your momentum before getting to that final point, which is the point where you have to stop, which would be the obstacle. Feel free to drop any more questions or comments in the chat. Thanks. Bye. Skate on.